everybody, and welcome to my channel. I got great news for you guys. The coupon preview has started. I just searched in, I just type in inserts and then whatever Sunday it is, and there's tons of websites. Some websites are super fast at posting it, and sometimes they're not. Usually Tuesdays are the days that they are available. But I'm here to share with you guys what we are getting in July 22nd inserts. It looks like we'll be getting 2 inserts, 1 Smart Source and 1 Retail Me Not. So I'm here to share with you guys what we're getting so you guys can get an idea of coupons to look for. So it looks like we'll be getting some Airwick coupons, $1.50 off, $1.50 off. We're also getting a buy one, get one free. One coupon that I really should recommend you guys getting is the Bic. Those are pens, stationery. We got $1.50 off the Gelocity quick dry gel pen, and then we also have $1 off of stationery products. So definitely try to get your inserts and make sure you have them. The inserts that I order from another place, they never get them, but my inserts do. So if you guys can get inserts, go for it. Hopefully you guys can get those. We're getting a 2 off of 2 Carefree products. Now I do know there's a deal for Ibotta, so that could be a good deal if we wanted to do something like that, but I don't know when that ends. We're getting Celestial Seasoning, $1 off of 2. Cheerio Oat Crunch, 50 cents off of 1. We're getting a ton of Colgate coupons, just 50 cents. Friskies, $1 off of 12 cans, 2 off of 24, or 3 off of 32. I might have to use some of those coupons for my cat. We're getting $1 off of 3 baby wipes. Usually it's $1 off of 2, which is an okay deal. The diapers, 2 off of 1, and then 2 off of 1, the little Snuggers, Movers, and Overnight diapers. We're getting Irish Spring soap and Irish Spring body wash. So stay tuned. You know what? That means we'll be getting some easy freebies coming up soon. We're getting Carousel, Luigi's. I know that the Dollar Tree sells the Luigi's, so I think they do, so we might be able to use that coupon at the Dollar Tree. Here we got some Lysol coupons, 50 cents, 50 cents, 50 cents off of 2, laundry, Lysol, 1 off of 1, 1 off of 2, so there's some deals for that. Newton cookies, 75 cents off of 2. We're getting Nivea Men, 2 off of 1, Nivea Men, 2 off of 1. Palmolive soap, 50 cents off of 1. Peanut butter chocolate blasted shreds, I think that's a cereal. Here's Playtex, 3 off of 2, and Playtex Sports, 3 off of 2. Now, I do know there are some deals at Kroger's, aka Pick and Save is what I have. You guys have other stores. There are some deals, I think, on Playtex and Carefree, I know for sure. And I do think we might be able to use those. Renew Life, Replens, which I think is an eye thing. Revlon, $1 off of 2 hair color, 2 off of 1 hair silk, and then 2 off of 1 lip product. We're getting Sally Henson coupons, $1 off of 1, 3 off of 1. Schick Edge, buy 1 Schick men's razor or refill, get 1 Schick Edge shave gel free. Schick Edge, and then there's Skittiments, so those are pretty good coupons. We're also getting $3 off packs of razors. Soft soap, 50 cents and 75 cents, so be prepared. We're going to get some good deals on body wash. Speed Stick, 50 cents, and Ladies Speed Stick, 50 cents, and then Stay Free, 2 off of 2. So that, I think, as a Smart Source, is going to be a very good week to buy extra inserts, depending on what you guys love. Now we're on to the Red Plum, which is technically called Retail Me Not. So we're getting $1 off of 1, all Angel Soft, 50 cents, $1 off of 1. Brownie paper towels, 75 cents off of 1, or $1.50 off of 1 paper towel. Colace, we're getting Dove, $1.50 off of 1 dry shampoo or deodorant. Now those are deals that you guys, if you guys can get your inserts early, go for it. Those are deals that you guys want to do at Target. We're getting Kotex U, 3 off of 2, 3 off of 2, 3 off of 2. I love those kind of coupons, 3 off of 2. Nexium, Procure, not sure what that is. Snuggle, 50 cents off of 1. Sparkle, 70 cents off of 1. Now right now there is a deal on yeah, right there. It's $1 off of 1. There's a deal on coupons.com. And then we're also getting Trust-A-May, $1 off of 1 or 3 off of 2. So that is what is going to be in the inserts. I found these on SundayPaperCoupons.com if you guys want to check them out. But I just wanted to give you guys a heads up so you guys can start figuring out your inserts early. And I will see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.